If I only had 3 minutes with you, I wouldn't tell you to speak louder. I wouldn't tell you to prove yourself. I would tell you this: learn the power of silence, because calm presence outperforms loud dominance every time. Authority is not volume, authority is control. The loudest voice in the room is usually fighting for relevance. The calmest presence already has it. Silence is not the absence of power, it is the containment of it. People mistake noise for confidence. They think power looks like explaining, defending, reacting, winning arguments. But real authority doesn't chase control, it radiates stability. Silence signals self trust. It tells the room, I don't need to rush. I don't need to prove. I don't need approval. When you stay composed while others escalate, your nervous system stays regulated, and that alone puts you ahead. Because emotionally unregulated people can be loud, but they cannot lead. Every reaction is a leak of power. Every unnecessary explanation is a negotiation of worth. Silence protects your energy. It keeps you grounded when chaos tries to pull you in. And notice this: people lean in when you stop talking. They listen harder. They feel the weight of your presence. Silence creates gravitas. From today forward, understand this: you don't need to respond to everything. You don't need to clarify yourselves to everyone. You don't need to correct every misunderstanding. Authority chooses where to engage. Silence is discernment. Silence is emotional intelligence. Silence is maturity. Loud dominance seeks control over other. Calm authority has control over self. And self mastery always outlasts intimidation. The person who can sit in silence without shrinking, panicking, or explaining is the person who has already won. Let this settle. Silence is not withdrawal. Silence is restrained with intention. It choosing dignity over drama, composure over chaos, presence over performance. When you stop reacting, people feel it. When you stop explaining, respect follows. And when you finally speak, your words carry weight because they come from stillness, not insecurity. Practice this today. Pause, breathe, observe. You don't need to be loud to be powerful. You need to be centered. Because the calmest person in the room is often the one in control, even if no one says it out loud. Stay silent when it matters. Speak when it counts. That is authority. Before you speak again today, pause. Not to suppress yourself, but to center yourself. Silence is where your nervous system settles. Silence is where your power stops leaking. Silence is where you remember who you are. You don't need to rush your voice into every space. You don't need to explain your depth to people who only understand noise. Let your presence speak first. Let your calm do the work. Let your restraint become your reputation. Authority is not something you demand. It's something people feel when you walk into a room. And the more you practice silence with intention, the more unshakable you become. Ask yourself gently, where do I speak from insecurity instead of intention? What situations trigger to explain or defend myself unnecessarily? How would my life change if I paused before responding? Where could silence protect my energy instead of costing it? What would calm authority look like in my daily interactions? Write without editing. Let honesty lead. Because when you master silence, you master self respect. And self respect is the loudest form of power there is. Thank you for being here.